Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to What's Up with Wigs. Okay, today, very short tutorial on how I created this look. This is a low twisted ponytail and the wig I'm wearing is my Raquel Welch Watch Me Wow in Shadow Shades Golden Wheat. Let me let you see the back. Super easy style. Now, I haven't done anything to this wig except use my hot air brush styling wand to just give the bangs the littlest bit of curl, just to bump them under just a little. That's all I've done. I am going to trim these bangs. They're too long, but this is how they came, so I just wanted you to see it. And then I'm going to trim the bangs on this. But I'm going to do several styling videos with this wig. This wig is much too long for me to wear. I would never wear this wig. It's just too long for me, in my opinion. So, but it's perfect to do things like this. There's all kinds of styling things you can do with this wig. So this is just the first one. I'm going to show you a low twisted ponytail. So let's have a look how I created it. Begin by brushing all the hair smooth. Next, I use a spray bottle of water to dampen the hair to smooth any flyaways. Take a 1-inch section of hair at the hairline on the left side of the part and begin twisting it upwards. Gradually bring in small sections of hair from above the twist and along the hairline, twisting the section towards the top of the left ear. Continue twisting the hair around the back of the head toward the nape of the neck. Use a clip to hold the hair in place. Repeat the previous steps on the other side of the head, twisting the hair upwards to the nape of the neck. Secure the two twists together into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck with a clear elastic band. Comb through the ponytail to remove any tangles. Insert some decorative hairpins or clips to create a finished and polished look. To finish off your look, give a slight spray with some wig holding spray. Okay, that's a look at how I created this low twisted ponytail. Super easy, 5 minutes and you're out the door. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm loving making these videos for y'all. I love this What's Up with Wigs series, just short videos with how I do different things. And so please leave me lots of comments of things you'd like to see, and I will work on some more and getting us some content out. I try to do this once a week, so I look forward to it. Don't forget to join me on my Facebook page, Crazy Wig Lady, and please join me on Instagram at Crazy Wig Lady. I have Wig to Toe Wednesday there, and I show you my outfit and my wig of the day, and I have a lot of content there that I don't have on this channel. So please join me at Crazy Wig Lady on Instagram and Crazy Wig Lady on Facebook. Okay, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time, and don't forget, we're all in this together.